show you how to solve part 2 of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So you should already have this, and around it should be about like the top layer should be good. And so what you're looking for right now is a T, but this bottom one right here. Because see how that has the blue? Well, the blue's over here, so it should be this piece should be moved to this piece. And to do that, you have to use a sequence of moves, and they go like this. Start by moving it away, like that, and then it's the rest of the sequence. You can pause the video if you want to do this with your Rubik's Cube. But here's the sequence. It's eight turns, and one more there. It's right there now. So now you have all 6 of these in place, and you have all of these. You have to try to find another one. So, like this one, you have the T, and there's a red one, there's a red spot here. So, and this is red, and this piece should be moved to this piece. And to do the same sequence you just did to get that over there, start by moving it away, and so on. There it is. So now we have all 6 of the blues, all 6 of the reds, and the white. Now you have to try to find another one, and also you have all 6 of the orange. That was there. The last one that hasn't been done is this piece. So you have to try finding the T, and this piece, since it has the red here, the bottom of the T, here's the red, it should be, this piece should be here. So you have to do a different sequence because you're moving it to the right, but it's similar and it's still 8 moves. It's different. You start off by moving it away, down, to the left, up, to the left. And there. So you should have the white, the green 6, the red 6, the blue 6, and the orange 6. This is done part 2. And it doesn't have to be white at the top, it can be a different color, but that's the color I used. So I should figure out somehow do part 3.